Question number 3. Which sequence of stars is listed in order of increasing luminosity? All right, this is a question that a lot of students get frustrated with, or um, you see all these different words: Spica, Regal, Deneb, Betelgeuse, Polaris, Eridani. I'm gonna be honest, I can't pronounce all of them uh, without stumbling around a little bit. So it is hard, and students see this and they think, I don't, what do I know about these stars? Well, the trick of this is the Earth Science Reference Table, the holy document of all Earth science. It is a savior here, and you're not expected to know all the stars, but it is directly on page 15 of the Earth Science Reference Table. So I'm going to turn there real quick. If you're working on this with me, which I hope a lot of you are, this isn't just for the answers. The answer key is posted right on the site as well. The link to all the regions are there and everything. If you're looking for answers, go there. But what I really want you guys to do is work with me. I think that's important. And try the regions yourself sometimes, and then come back and try to see what you got wrong and why you got it wrong. That's really why I'm making the site, these videos and everything. So anytime you see anything about a star, you really want to turn to page 15. Whether it has to do with anything at all, immediately turn to page 15. But let's go back to the question for a second. It says, which sequence of stars, okay, so we know page 15, is listed in order of increasing luminosity. So what you should know is that luminosity is brightness. It essentially just means how bright a star is. It's all based off how bright our star is. Our star has luminosity of 1. But having the words increasing luminosity, we know that we are looking for the lowest luminosity going to the highest luminosity. Now, just because of time, and it's just going to be a lot easier to do it this way, the correct answer is 4, and let me just show you how I got this. Now, again, I want you to know, even though I am an earth science teacher, I don't just know this stuff off the top of my head. I also have to use the reference table. Well, the first one I find, first thing I do is I say, okay, luminosity. Okay, so I know I'm looking on this axis. It has to be up and down. We're not talking about left and right. We're talking about up and down for luminosity. The first one I find is Procon, something like that. The Sun, Sirius, and Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse is a very awesome star. If you're ever interested in science or supernova or anything like that, you should learn about Betelgeuse. Cool star. But we are learning about luminosity, starting from the lowest, and we move up. Our Sun, Sirius, and then Betelgeuse. So clearly that's the answer. Of course, what they do is they put it as answer number 4, hoping that you'll give up, hoping that you'll just guess or something. But if you go back and you look at, let's do the first one, Spica, Regal, Deneb. Spica is all the way up here. Spica, Regal, Deneb. Okay, that's all in order. But let's look at this one. Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse is lower than Deneb, so it cannot be the answer. So you just really have to go through all of these. I know it's a pain. I know it's a time test, and you probably just want to get up and get the hell out of there like I did when I was taking the Regents. But you really have to take your time. And my biggest trick for the Regents, the most important thing, if you want to pass the Regents, every question that is a Regents Earth Science Reference Table question on the Regents, you need to get it right. And they're not hard if you know where to look and how to do the question. So again, obviously the answer was number 4, like I said in the beginning. And I hope you all take your time when you take the Regents.